Hi girls! Have you seen my vlog? Oh my gosh, yes! Super ganda ng Barcelona. Alam mo, feeling ko nandun ako kasama ka. Tapos yung mga haul ng mga clothes mo. Girl, ang gastos in fairness ha. I just spent 700,000 pesos. Sa mga bags mo pa lang, mabubutas na yung wallet mo. Ano ka ba, Kara? Never mabubutas yung wallet ko. Dad just transferred a lot of money in my bank account, so why not spend it, right? Tapos alam niyo ba, munti ko pang awayin yung friend ng cousin ko kasi I wanna buy a bag in red and blue. Tapos bigla siyang humirit ng, one bag is enough. Nakakairita, di ba? Pakilamera? I know, that's such a poor people word. Excuse me? Come on, Jamie. If you settle for one, it shows that you can afford more and nakakalungkot yun. Wait, na-offend ka ba? Baka hindi mo rin afford. The heck, Denise? Just kidding! I have pasalubongs for you girls. There is a car. Yo, Denise, this party is great. I mean, how did you even get us this entire beach? Philip, my dad is the mayor. He closed it for maintenance on paper, but in reality, it's my playground for the weekend. That's cool. Anyway, my dad wants to know if your father could help us with some permits sa construction namin. Ang tagal kasi ma-approve sa City Hall eh. Oh please, Daddy signs the paper faster than he reads them. Just give me the documents and, I'll have them stamped tomorrow. Basta you know the kapalit, ha? Pera ba? Money, gifts, vacations, favors, call it whatever you like. Daddy prefers tokens of gratitude. And trust me, without that, your papers will stay buried under City Hall dust. Wala bang makakaalam? Makakaalam? Our family has been running things like this for generations. It's not just politics, it's a dynasty. I mean, hindi magiging mayor si Dad by playing fair, and neither did his father before him. Every favor, every token of gratitude, every little shortcut, it all keeps the family on top. Oh. Philip, lahat tayong mayayaman, especially my family, rules aren't meant for us. We own them. We bend, we twist, even break them, and no one dares to fight back. I mean, that's the beauty of it. People still think the system works when really the city, it's already ours. And it always will be. Kapag gustuhin ko tumakbo ako mayor, for sure mananalo ako, but just wanna enjoy my dad's money. I wanna enjoy the people's money. If you know what I mean. Your family is corrupt and cool, but powerful. My siblings and my whole family are very privileged. Permits approved before anyone sees them, private islands for vacations, designer wardrobes. So Philip, kung gusto mo mapabilis sa mga bagay-bagay, tandaan, power isn't given. It's inherited. And enjoy it. Oh. Have you seen the news? Ang lala ng baha ngayon. Oh my gosh, good thing I'm living in a condo where everything is accessible. Tone deaf. What? Ang insensitive lang pakinggan knowing na sinasabi ni Kara na grabe yung baha, under pa mismo sa leadership ng daddy mo, Denise. So? Ano show? Bakit parang sinisisi mo ko, Jamie? Come on, hindi ko naman kasalanan na binabaha sila. Hindi na rin responsibility ni daddy na umulan na sobra. Like, he's not God, he's the mayor. And besides, people exaggerate. Kung talaga nahihirapan sila, maybe they should have prepared better. Or, dapat nagtrabaho sila na sobra para nakatira sila sa condo like me. Wow! So convenient, no? Pagdating sa mga donations, credit sa daddy mo. Pero pagdating sa mga baha at paghihirap, biglang, he's not God. Stig. Selective accountability. What are you implying ba? Sira na araw ko. Ay, multo! Over naman sa multo. Puyat lang. Baka need mo kasi ng kape. Wala talaga nag-work kapag wala pa nga akong kape. Puro pre-coffee tas lang yung pumapasok. O sige, Spill. Ano na naman yung mga what-ifs mo tungkol sa kape? Okay, so what if isang araw, kwento na lang yung coffee sa future generations? What if dumating yung time na 1 cup per day lang yung allowed? Uy, wag naman. O nga, 2 cups pa lang before lunch pa lang eh. Tapos isipin mo pa, what if maging sobrang mahal ng kape? Parang per gram na yung binibili. Parang ginto. Goodbye allowance. Goodbye sweldo.
International Coffee Month na this October. Pero alam mo, kaya ako napapaisip kasi recently, nag-join ako with Vanessa Tejano sa Bangon Henerasyon Takeover with Nescafe. Siya yung anak ni Andesa Tejano, isang Nescafe Coffee Ambassador at coffee farmer mismo. Dahil dito, dali niya yung pangarap na ipagpatuloy yung Bangon Henerasyon ng coffee farming.
Gets, kasi kung wala mo papatuloy ng coffee farming, baka mangyari talaga yung mga what ifs natin.
Buti na lang kamo may Nescafe Plan, isang sustainability program na active rito sa Pilipinas. Actually, ang dami nga nilang nagawa eh. May trainings para matuto ng mga bagong farming techniques, scholarships para sa mga agri-students, tapos may mga partnerships para ma-highlight yung mga stories ng mga farmers. Kaya nga sa bawat cup ng Nescafe, hindi lang to pampagising. May ambag to sa kinabukasan ng kape at ng mga magsasaka.
Kaya pala, legacy na talaga.
Yes, at sa Nescafe Plan, hindi lang pangarap. May advocacy pa. Natulungan siya ng program para makapag-training ng may modern techniques, educational support para lumawak yung kaalaman, and community programs para ma-boost yung confidence niya to share her story.
Ano po?
Kaya ngayon, isa na siyang boses ng kabataan sa coffee farming, inspiring young farmers to take the same path.
Nakaka-inspire talaga. Mas na-appreciate mo yung bawat cup.
Kaya guys, experience the journey of the coffee farmers and how the Nescafe Plan supports them.
Punta kayo sa Nescafe Tasa ng Pag-asa Immersive Experience in One Ayala Mall this October 24 to 26.
Magandang experience to kasi maririnig nyo mismo yung kwento ng mga coffee farmers.
Panahon na para magkapit-bisig tayo at gisingin ang bangon henerasyon ng coffee farming. Cheers!
May event ako today, so let's get dressed with me! Theme ng event is white or green, kaya yung bottom ko is white, and yung top ko is blue-green. Mukha naman siyang green. Nilagyan lang ng blue, so okay na yan. Wala tayong green eh. For my bottom, ito yung susuotin ko. We're gonna have a long skirt moment right here. Kasi gusto ko magpa-sway, sway, sway. Tcharan! For my top, ito yung susuotin ko. This is an off-shoulder ruffled kinamerut. If nakikita niyo yung mga photos ko, you guys know I love off-shoulder tops. Kasi I feel like I'm exposed but keeping it a secret. Ewan, suotin na natin.
So, ito yung tsura kapag pinagsama na yung dalawa. Diba? Very cute, very, very mahinhin, kahit hindi naman. So, kapag naka-off-shoulder ako, feeling ko pwede kong gawin tong move na to. For my sandals, ito yung susuotin ko. This is actually one of my favorite sandals. Hindi siya masakit sa paa. And bagay siya sa lahat. Update guys, I changed my top into white kasi I feel like ma-out of place ako dun sa event since I realized na hindi ko talaga maipaglalaban ang blue-green. Pero yes, eto na ako. Very white, very demure. So this is my whole fit. Aalis na kami. Bye! May mga days na tamad ako mag-ayos, pero syempre gusto ko pa rin maayos akong tignan, and ayoko magmukhang zombie at all. One of my lifesavers is this Focal Your Brow Cara. This also claims to be smudge-proof and waterproof, so get yours now. Grabe, ang init sa labas! I know, right? Tapos napwis pa tayo kanina, nakaka-stress, pero at least tapos na, diba? May alis ka ba mamaya? Oo, may date ako, pero yung buhok ko may problema. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-stylean, parang ang frizzy, parang ang boring, parang ewan. Alam mo, lagi ka nalang ganyan kapag aalis ka, tsaka ka namang problema sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo na dyan sa buhok mo. Buti na lang, meron akong ganito.
This is the Dream Pocket Uni High Speed Hair Dryer, a 3-in-1 miracle tool that dries, curls, and straightens your hair with one device. It's lightweight, foldable, and ready for smart voltage, meaning it works everywhere, from your dorm room to any country in the world. The powerful airflow dries your hair in no time. Literally just 40 seconds for a quick dry. And with plasma ions, it smooths out frizz, adds shine, and leaves your hair feeling silky and soft.
O diba? Ganun lang kasimple. Uy, ang bilis! Ang ganda! Ang... Wow! Right? It saves me every time, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ako. Guess who's borrowing it for her date? Yung isa kong kaibigan? Lo, oo na, pwede mo nang hiramin, basta don't get too attached. Need ko ayusin yung budget pero may event pa next week. Tapos di pa approve yung proposal. Pero urgent na kasi. If di ma-approve, madedelay ako. Okay ka pa? Gusto mo ba mag-dinner? Parang hindi ko na kaya lumabas. Sus, kahit wag na lumabas kasi may all-new Jollibee app na.
At dahil bagong-bago to, you can now enjoy promos like free delivery for a minimum spend of 400 pesos, free peach mango pa, and free Chicken Joy Super Meal para sa mga new users. Kaya naman don't miss this chance. Download the all-new Jollibee app.
Masaya na yarn.
Sir? Jollibee po? Hey. Hello, ma.
Pauwi na po ako.
Ayan na nga ba sinasabi ko, Aya Marie? Alas 9 na, umuulan na, tapos mag-isa ka pa. Paano kung magkasakit ka o maaksidente? May naipon ka ba para pang ospital mo o pang gamot?
Ma, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Nag-iingat naman po ako palagi. Hala, naku ma, paubos na po yung load ko. Baka hindi na po kita matawagan mamaya. Wala pong malapit na pa-loadan dito.
Hello? Hello, ma? Ma?
Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh.
Miss,
Bakit po?
sa Gcash ka na lang mag-load. May libreng health insurance pa nakasama sa kada load mo.
Talaga? May health insurance na?
Oo, kasi sa panahon ngayon, kailangan ng paghandaan yung emergencies at sariling safety. Kahit sa simpleng gastos ng load, pwedeng maging proteksyon laban sa mga malalaking gastos tulad ng aksidente o pagkakasakit, lalo na kung doble kayod ka sa trabaho. Ay, buti na lang madali na magkaroon nito at wala pang dagdag gastos. Step 1, click by load. Step 2, choose a load promo for your own number. And step 3, upon checkout of load, tick get free health insurance. O ayan, dahil chinek mo yan, pag may nangyari sa'yo, ito yung mga makukuha mo. Up to 2,500 na sweldo assistance kapag confined ka or di makatrabaho. Up to 10,000 pesos kapag nabaldado ka, pwede mo ipambayad sa gamot or ano pa mga kailangan mo. At up to 30,000 pesos kapag may accidental death tapos may iiwan nyo sa pamilya mo if may mangyari.
Wow! Dahil sa Gcash, bawat load ko may free health insurance na rin. Kaya panatag na ako na may sasalo kapag may nangyari sa akin. At least, handa na ako.
You're welcome!